Good morning, dear friends. My name is Alain of alaintresamigos. I'm in Papagayo, Costa Rica, the most wonderful country in the world. Look at this view behind me. I'm in Playa del Coco. This is the ocean view of the Bay of Playa del Coco. We have those kind of ocean view lots that start around $300,000. And you also can find beautiful ocean view homes with great pools like this one, with amazing view, that will start in about $675,000 to $700,000. This region is special for all the amenities that we have, the infrastructure. We are only 25 minutes from the airport. This property that I'm here right now is about 5-minute drive to downtown Playa del Coco, where all the amenities, stores, banks, pharmacy, restaurant, bars. You can find almost everything in Liberia. We have the Walmart, malls, movie theater. All our roads are almost all paved, so it's very convenient to stay in this region called Papagayo in Costa Rica. So I welcome you to visit us. You can contact me with my Facebook contact. And feel free to call me anytime in my toll-free number. And have a beautiful day. Pura vida. Ciao.